I've been using the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL keyboard for about a year and a half now. And it's been my daily driver basically for work, productivity, and gaming. And I've loved it for pretty much all those things, but I really wanted to get a low profile keyboard. Enter the Nuphy Air 75 version 2 wireless keyboard. So as I'm opening this thing up, it seems like a premium build right from the beginning, and you can tell right from the markings up in the front that it's definitely going to be a premium feel. So here's a little bit of the front box, nice and shiny. Open it up and we get the instruction manuals right out of the box. Then you flip it around, you open up the instructions, but then you flip it around, you get these anime stickers, which are pretty cool. You don't really get stickers mostly like this, I don't think, which to me kind of heavily implies that it's mostly indicated for gaming as well. But more to come in the review once I got the standard manual right there. And then we open up this one. This one's a little bit more important. This one will tell you how to actually adjust the brightness and all that good stuff. And when you flip it to the back, you got another anime kind of poster here. So I guess you could put this somewhere where you could easily access it. And then, I don't know, it's there. So now looking at the main event is the keyboard. Take off this bit of plastic that's on the front. It does have like a bit of an engraving there, which is kind of cool. Nice touch, makes it feel just that much more premium. But let's get the keyboard out of here and take a look. And there it is. Now I did get the white version. I did not swap out any of the keys, obviously, at this point. The back does have a nice little reflective plating where I think you can see my nose here in just a minute. Yeah, but we're gonna skip past that. And then it has these feet, which huge for me because I like being able to get the feet and like prop up the keyboard for myself. This is just the way that I type and the way that I like to game. So it's a big, huge plus for me. Then you open up a little bit of the side panel here and you'll get the keycap removal tool. Now this will also serve as the switch removal tool because you can switch out the switches on here, but also the keys as well, which is a nice touch on this keyboard since you're able to kind of modify it exactly the way you want based on the switches that are available to this specific keyboard. Nuphy does a really good job of making that easily and accessible to you. Right here, we're looking at the wiring. Not a big deal, it's standard wire. I wish it would have been USB-C to USB-C instead of USB-A to USB-C, but it is what it is. It serves as its function to just go ahead and charge the keyboard once you get low battery. Battery expected range is supposed to be around 24 hours or something like that, which isn't really crazy compared to some of the other keyboards you may be used to, especially if you have like one of the Apple's keyboards. They last for a very long time before you ever need to charge them. So I'll see how real world settings rather than just numbers on a paper. So they did include other switches in the box so that you can test them out in case you want to see like, whoa, maybe I didn't pick the switches that were right, but maybe these other switches are better. These are available to you here. There's also extra keycaps that you can change out. I ended up trying to show you guys this and then ended up falling, and you'll see that 3, 2, 1, bam, and they fall. And so yeah, I try to clean up my mess here and put them back in here. So there you go, put them back in there and it works out for a second, but then they fall again. So yeah, failure. So this is coming to a close on the unboxing, but I'm sure you want to hear what the actual keyboard sounds like. So get ready to hear some thockiness. Here you go. And that's all she wrote, literally. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.